My truck, 90 Sport. This is a bucket. My bro's truck used to be like this. Now it's like that. Putada. Omar.
What?
¿Qué pasó, everybody? Welcome back. So today we're gonna be working on this turd. ¿Cómo le llamas? La parts truck?
I call her Betty.
La Betty.
Because she's ugly.
Cause she's fugly, dice.
But you guys call it the parts truck.
La parts truck. Well, it was a long bed. Alright, so this thing used to be a long bed. We cut it down, made it a short bed. Lowered it. What's the lowering kit on it?
I'm not sure.
I think it's like a 6 and a 8. Alright, so now we're going to install the distributor. The easiest way to do it, the way I do it, is I take number 1 spark plug out. Ay, wey. Cover the hole with your finger and have somebody bump it. Just bump it, no te pases de verga. Dale. Espérate. Espérate, verga. Okay, go. And again. 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 Dale. Right up. We're coming up on it, but I can't see the linea. You got a flashlight? Okay, bump it slow. Dale. I felt it, but I can't see the Hoyo. Do a little one. Okay, here it comes. Go again, a little one. Oh, perfect. Ahí está. See if I can show you guys. Puta madre. Can't see nothing. I don't even know what the fuck I'm looking at. Right there. Ahora sí. Alright, now time to just stab it. And when I stab it, I want this pointing this way, and this pointing in between the thermostat housing and the number 1. ¿Dónde está the gasket? That's too much. Let me bring you guys in closer so you guys can see what I'm talking about. There you go. I think my big ass is gonna be it's too much. About right there. A ver, ¿ya acabaste? Alright, so when you put it, there's gonna be your number 1. That's perfect. So, see that? No poquita. Ahí está. See how that's pointing towards number 1 and thermostat housing, and then when you bump the key, it should fall down. I bumped the key over. See, because there's a gap right there. So just like put a little bit of light pressure, and you'll see it fall down. Dale, dale. Ahí está. See that? Okay, now go all the way. Hold it. Dale, keep going. A good one. Alright, wait. A little one. A little. Ahí está perfect. Where's the light?
In your seat.
Oh, check something real fast. Okay, dale, a little ones. Perfect. See that? I'm gonna try and show you so you guys can see over here. Kind of hard though. No, se mira mi madre.
That are easy.
I don't know. Oh, wait. Oh, here we go. Right. Oh. I don't know. But you can see pointing in between thermostat housing and number 1 cylinder. So we'll see if it fires up on the first try. Pero no toma todos los días, ¿o sí? Nada más toma on the weekends. What's wrong with that? She needs to fucking chill.
And I make it a 5 lug. It turns out it's easier to make it a 6 lug.
Then a 5 lug? Why?
Because the axles are the same. The 6 lug, the 8 lugs are the same width and everything.
Y todo.
And if you want to make it a disc brake, you use the brackets off my trailblazer for that one.
Oh, for which one?
For the rear end que tiene que va a quitar.
Oh, the 8 lugs.
Yeah.
Ya dijiste. This will make this one the 6 lug, dude.
Y que si tenga gasket, Marcos.
Then I'm gonna be mad. I mean, nah, it fell out. It had to fall out. ¿Qué?
El gasket. Lo tiene ahí en la panza, ¿no lo mira?
Fucking, I put the O-ring. Yeah, that would have been fun.
Yeah, liquearlo luego.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, right away, bro. Qué bonito se mira nomás así, simple little mods like that.
¿Sabes qué más? Quita el carburador y corre limpiarlo como niños
Oh,
todos.
okay.
Los matches más.
Nah, bro, I only do that when I rebuild them. When it has a fresh gasket kit y todo.
Oh, I'll go buy one right now.
I'll go buy one. What size Corvette is this? A 600?
1406, yeah. 600. Same as yours, just like.
Más que mi electric truck está medio pendejo.
Is it?
That should be.
Tight, ¿no?
Oh, you know it's on the wrong side.
Is it?
What is it? Dame la thing de este, and I'll fucking adjust it. I'm gonna close it up a bit.
Oh. Sabe. Yo no tengo eso, güey. La mía tiene el toe.
These two, ¿dónde están?
Allá te las aventé todos para allá. Está arriba where Ivan's at, the two.
Oh.
That one's for there.
Échale salivita.
Ahí tienes el lube, Marcos. Ivan?
Oh, over here?
Yeah, that one.
Ay, güey, está bien larga esta, güey.
Pues it crosses all the way over here.
Oh.
No le quité nada.
It's custom.
Oh, va hasta allá y luego se mete acá.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Well, hopefully it starts out better than how it did before.
Fuck.
Before
Bro.
it would go blah, blah, blah,
¿Dónde vas?
blah, 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 blah.
Damn, ya les pintaste la pinche valve cover. ¿Quién las pintó?
Marcos.
Oh, era un pelo.
Luego,
Güey, por lo menos no tiene un moco, güey.
No falta, güey. Si llega rato, tal vez.
No va a venir, güey.
What is it, vapors? Oh, ahí donde se rompió.
¡Au!
Está quebrado.
Rompió otra vez.
Pues córtale con la navaja, clink and put some lube.
That's just tostado, homie. Damn, even that little fucking pipe made a difference, bro. Ya vale, ahora sí van los 3,500, güey.
Oye, güey. ¿Cómo que no tiene navaja?
I don't know where it's at.
You just had it.
You grabbed it last.
No. Yo te lo dejé aquí. Échale lube, te vas a tu putazo.
You gotta get a tramp stamp, eh?
Que se le mete la puntita ya. Son puros vapores, ¿no?
Entrando la puntita y entre toda.
I think we're ready to see if it starts. Wanna try it?
Send it. Y no desconectaron la batería, van a quemar la computadora.
Yo creo que ya la quemé cuando estaba soltando.
Nah, bro, it's no computer in this bitch, is it? No. Dude, it looks so much cleaner.
See if it starts.
Ponla en park, güey, eh?
Yeah, I know. Make sure it's on park.
No, I'm serious.
No. I should
would.
have fuel in there.
You think so?
Dale. Wait. Wait.
I hear something.
Dale.
¿Qué?
Do we go?
¿Sí está echando? Ya no da el llavazo porque a veces se prenden las pestañas, eh.
Go again.
Timing's off. Las pestañas, mija.
Dale. Dale.
There you go.
Alright, turn it off. Vente. Well, it starts. Look at
It
that.
starts. Hey, that's a plus, homie.
Now we gotta.
¿Es no more exhaust leak o sí?
No.
Oh, we gotta plug all these off.
Oh, acá la traigo, güey.
Oh.
Ah, qué hijo de la verga. Pinche
Ah, cabrón.
pitón. Sale el pitón aquí, cae. Aquí cae.
Remember con lo que quitaste la otra vez? That's why it sounded like an exhaust leak?
Yeah.
Ya me había disolucionado y dije, wow, this work for the same shit? Fuck this, take the motor out.
I like that battery tray.
Oh, you see where we put it?
Yeah. No, esa pinche clampa está bien agresiva. Anda, cabrón. Dude, it looks way cleaner now, bro.
Should take the alternator, break it off.
Es lo que te iba a decir y la hayas pintado también, güey. It is off, actually.
Nope, it's already going back on.
Yeah, it goes on. Check that.
Okay, what else?
That one on top is the ground for the battery, right?
Really?
Yeah.
We started without it?
It's a ground for something.
That's why the battery was going
Ahí está, mira, mero, abajo, ¿sí lo ves?
¿Cuál es?
Yes.
¿Y este qué es?
Oh, we started without this?
Yeah.
No mames.
It's grounded. Dude, look at all that rust. It's grounded.
Ahora sí, try it off.
¿Ya le echaron agua?
No, but just,
Oh.
I think everything should be good now.
Ay, hijo de su puta madre. Te digo,
Dale.
pégale otra vez.
Dale. Espérate.
Por eso digo, no, porque hay gente que se pone en el start pump, pero a ver, dale. Fuck that.
Dale. Dale.
Ahora sí soy el mofle. Ahora sí soy el mofle. That shit sounds good, mira, ven.
But I need my timing gun.
Yeah, I know. Oye bien, güey. Mira, ven, güey. It sounds clean. Mira. Sounds clean. Sounds hella clean.
No more stop.
Nada, güey. ¿No puedes rentar una? No, ¿verdad? Una timing ya no puedes rentar una.
I tried to go to Auto to the main one, ¿no? Al rato ahorita voy a comprar una auto a la
So there it is. Run, drive. Or I don't know the drive, but it runs. Putada. Oh, ya no tiene agua. Apágala.
She's alive. She's alive. Hey, Omar.
Lo que no me gustaba era lo del golpe.
That's a 76 right there, my brother's truck. Not bad. It's alright. Whatever. Well, there it is. It runs. First crank, or second crank now, but not bad. Wife told me I have to record all this shit. My brother did too. So I'm gonna start recording because on the weekend I always work on everybody else's car. So I'm gonna start recording those too.
Yes,
Fuck it.
sir.
All right, well, thanks for watching.